Hey there, and I welcome you to the second episode of the introduction to Python. Yeah, boy. In this tutorial series, we're going to look at how to install Python. Let's get started. Yeah, boy. So, as you can see, the first thing that you need to do is open your browser. Yeah, I prefer using Microsoft Edge, and in the search bar, type in Python download. So just like that, type in Python download and hit enter. Wangu, there it is. Yebo. Click on the first episode. The first page that will come about, and it will take you to the Python official website. Yeah, click on the bright yellow button there, the download button. Click on it. Yebo, and you must have. Yeah, it must show you something like this. Scroll down to the bottom of the page for you to download the version of Python that you want to work with, or should I say just download the installer package that you are going to work with. As you can see, there are a lot of files here. There are files for different operating systems, architectures and whatnot. As you can see, there is the 32-bit architecture and the 64-bit architecture for Windows. So I am using 64-bit architecture, so I'm going to download the 64-bit architecture. Yeah, but there it is. I started downloading. Yeah. So it's gonna take some time depending on how fast or how slow your internet connection is. Yeah, so you just gotta be a bit patient with the download, and yeah, just chillax, grab a coffee, hit a sack, and do other things. Once the download is complete, open your file manager and navigate to the downloads folder where your downloads have been, where you save your downloads. So there it is. For me, it's there. Yeah, right there. Python something that's set up. Just click on it, double click on it. Yeah. So just wait for it for a bit to start working with it, so that the installation process can start. Yeah, boy, there it is. So yeah, here guys, there's a very important part that you shouldn't miss. Make sure you click on add to path right there. Just click on it. Yeah, boy. Add to path and hit install. The installation process has begun. There it is. Let's go. Yeah, it's gonna take some time here. As you can see guys, I am using a virtual machine, so it's gonna take a lot of time for me because I basically use Linux most of the time. So yeah, it took me a lot of time to just install this, but as for you, it might take you some time as well, depending on how fast your processor is. But I'm sure this is 2023 and most people must have good PCs, and I'm sorry if you don't have a good PC, but yeah, there it is. It is installing, and just be patient and wait for it to finish, and make sure you followed all the steps, the previous steps, the way they were, because if you didn't, you find yourself in a lot of errors. We're almost there. So there it is done. Setup was successful, so we have installed Python in our system. Now it's time to verify. Just click on close. Yeah, just click on this button, the close button right there. Click on it. Click there. Okay, so what do we do next? What we do next now here is we're gonna verify the installation process. Press on the Windows button. Just press on it. Press on the Windows button right there, the start button. Yeah. And from there you can just see if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can see from there, just on the top part, where to show recently added files. Yeah, just right there. Just type in Python in the search bar. Type in cmd on the search bar. Type in cmd on the search bar, and you must see the command prompt, because that's what we are interested in. Or you can just type in command prompt, or just cmd for short. Type in, and press on that. If you are using PowerShell, you can use PowerShell. And by the way, as for you guys who are using Linux, don't stress yourself with this, because Python comes pre-installed in your systems. Yeah, so there it is. Type in python version to check the version of Python that's installed. So there it is, Python 3.1.2.0. yeah boy. So yeah, Python is installed. Let's just verify. We check, we compare with the one that's on the website. So there it is. It is the latest version of Python. We've successfully installed the latest version of Python. yeah boy. So what do we do next? Now what we do next is just we test out the basic things. So what you're gonna do is just type in Python, and you must have a PowerShell. You must have an interactive shell. So there it is. Just run print hello world to make your first Python program. Make sure you type in the way it is typed. Put the double quotes where the double quotes are. If you get any errors from here, if you got an error after typing the Python version, just know that you made a mistake in the start of the installation process, and you might need to go back to the you might need to restart the installation process. So there it is, it's working. We've done some basic math, and yeah, there it is, guys. We have successfully installed Python on our system, and in the next tutorial we're gonna see the many different ways in which you can run Python on your system. And yeah, also just we're also going to look at a quick talk about Python, so don't just miss the next episode. It's very, very important. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video. If you don't like it, leave a dislike. And also, if you have got something to say, please don't feel shy, let your feelings out and hit the comments. And also just have a blessed day, and may peace be with you. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.